So we're gonna...
Like 7 to 8 rows, and at first glance you would tend to believe that they actually put in the time to answer.
This one's going to teach us about how to do Terraform State, keeping track of resources. It will also create and update a local Terraform state using the CLI, and it will restore a lost TF state using a backup. Cool, so we have an EC2 directory that we'll be working with, which consists of the following files: main, variables, and TFRs. So we played with those, the concepts of those in the previous lab. The goal of the lab is to explore the local Terraform state file that gets created, updated, and deleted. You'll only need to make updates to the TFRs file in this lab. Feel free to explore the 3 files mentioned above to return to the tour. Okay. Let's move this down a bit.
At a second glance you notice everyone else has the exact same comment, but with only one word changed somewhere in the beginning of the comment. And all change the same word. They just use different variations of that word, usually using just synonyms.
It's probably just a bot, and they're just like looping over the content, just changing one word. Right, so the following resources.
There are lots of bots.
So we have Amazon VPC, a subnet, and an instance. So these are. Terraform state file will depict the automatically curated resources to support the file above cloud resources. The local state provides a look at the configuration looks like under the hood. Okay, so I'm going to apply it and make... You should get a state file here once that's done. Yeah, there we go.
I'm ditching you for Kitty Burrito.
No worries, dude. Enjoy.
Until next time, Mike.
What's Kitty Burrito?
Have fun, smiley face.
Do you mean an actual Kitty Burrito, or is it like another streamer? Is that what you've got right now? I'm jealous. Right, there we go. So now we've got some state loaded.
She's just playing some video games. She's also not very good at it. Dies often. But she's super fun. Twitch stream started now.
No worries. Well, I'm obviously not super fun enough, so enjoy. Thank you for the follow, let's talk.
Let's Talk 12 says. Hamsek.
How are you?
Wait, I sounds different.
Is it set voice? Yeah, if you go to that link, you can change the type of voice that it uses to speak.
Just Stakey 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 says. Stop being a cat-less streamer and there will be more people here, Kappa.
Alright, I'll work on it.
Let's Talk 12 says. Well, that's something new.
Right, so the Terraform TF state is a JSON file that contains the resources that were deployed into AWS. These resources are defined within the resources list beginning at line 7. You can see that the state file is mapping the server resource that was specified in the main TF file. It's generated an AWS ARN identifier on line 18. The instance type property of the EC2 instance is set to T2
I have
micro.
worked with Terraform, recently created a sys pipeline and GitLab with it.
Nice, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing next once I've got through the labs. I've got the Twitch bot is not currently deployed automatically, but
ZachBot says.
are you fixing that soon?
Hello MC.
So the instance type is set to T2 micro, the value is defined
Let's
in
Talk 12
variables TF.
says. Nice, it's good a tool if used in a right way.
How do you use it in the wrong way? That's even more interesting. So we're going to override that value later. The state file also pulls down additional attributes for the instance like the CPU core count, private IP, and instance state. And a key field to note in the state file is dependencies. This list associated with the resources, the list depicts the resources that must exist before the current resource is created. In this example, the EC2 instance must wait until VPC and subnet has been created. State file also contains sensitive information, which is why it's important to never store Terraform TF state file in a public Git repo. Ensure that restrictive access is in place. Thank you for the follow, Sensei what?
Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time.
Oh, I don't have a commands one yet. I've just, if you go in the, like below the video, there's a couple. That's one I need to add as a command list.
Sensei what says. I like that you are using a sprint planning board for your scheduling.
Yeah.
Let's Talk 12 says. I see it.
Here's all the things I've delivered this sprint. I don't even do t-shirt sizes anymore, it just takes like months. Certain situations may warrant a manual update to the TF state. However, it's considered dangerous to do so. Modifying the state file directly can corrupt the configuration of the state file, and it can drift from the actual state in the AWS. Thank you for the follow, Dunkable. Insert the following value for the instance size. Why is it saying instance size when we've got instance type there? But sure.
Dunkable says. Be real careful changing TF state.
Yeah, just don't do it. Run Terraform apply auto approve.
Let's Talk 12 says. When you create something through Terraform, You should avoid changing anything directly through CLI or console, or else it will mess up the state.
Yeah. You ever use HCL? Is it HCL? What's the HCP Terraform? What's their managed one? HCP, that's the one. The cloud-based one, that's quite cool.
I don't think so. The cloud one? No,
Yeah.
never used it.
We use it, it's pretty good. It's got any good images on it? Apparently not. Screenshot. Yeah, like you get like good views of the workspace, and then has it got any more pictures? No. Da-da-da. One of them's got like a GitHub Action-like view, which is quite nice.
I will give it a shot. Looks nice.
Kind of. Yeah, for each of your workspaces, you can like run various things. So when you do your TF deploy, yeah, it will just start pending a run, and you can click that, and it will show you like step by step what it's actually doing. Like this. There we go. This is it. Don't care. Just show me the run. Like this. So you'll get the plan start, like it will run all the checks. So you get like a pipeline essentially of what it's doing. I don't pay for it personally, so I'm not using it now, but
Oh, that's actually helpful. The current one gives me everything in a text format.
yeah. Yeah, also you can store your remote state on there too, so like if you work with a team. Once we ran the auto approves, we can skip that one. After changes have been deployed, you'll notice that the modified value in this Terraform state. As a result of the second deployment, the TF state backup file has been created for you. If you scroll down to the instance type.
You using AWS?
Yeah. Tell me if you can see TFT2. Oh shit. Please copy paste. There we go. Okay, so we have a backup. So the backup has T2 micro. We delete TF state. Let's double check. So we've got the actual state and the backup state. Actual state should say T3 micro. This one says T2 micro. Good. So let's delete it. Right, we'll do Terraform plan. With the state file deleted, Terraform will assume that the resources defined in main TF don't exist. However, you simply deleted the state file, not the resources. You can use the Terraform TF state backup file to recover the previous state of your project. So yeah, plan thinks we need to build all these things out. So if we restore, we're going to just copy the backup into the normal. And then if we run plan again, it shouldn't need to create half as many things. Yeah, so it can update the things in place because it knows. And we can apply it. No actual resources will be updated as a result of the refresh. The instance type value matches the actual T3 micro value. Terraform is declarative. Declarative infrastructure is described in the TF state file. We don't care. Some of these labs repeat themselves so much. I must have read like those sentences about 1 million times. So we can finish the tour.